And again, without going into lots of detail, the evidence shows that there are indeed striking associations, so that the people who are the good emotion regulators, we would say these are the resilient people who show high levels of ventromedial prefrontal activation and low levels of amygdala activation, are the ones who are able to have a very steep cortisol profile, where they're showing high levels of cortisol in the morning that go down progressively toward the end of the day. And the most important period is at the end of the day, just before bed. If cortisol is high when you go to sleep, it can have a deleterious impact on certain aspects of restorative function during sleep, and may be associated with a whole cascade of deleterious consequences, particularly when it accumulates over time.